This is a new 53-foot combo drop deck from Prestige Trailers. It has an air ride suspension with a rear sliding axle and Michelin tires on aluminum wheels. Adding to the versatility of this trailer are pop-up ramps. Equipment can easily be loaded onto the upper deck. This trailer has a steel frame with aluminum cross members and a reinforced coil package. A toolbox is mounted just behind the drop. Midco Sales is a Prestige trailer dealer. Visit midcosales.com to learn more about this drop deck or on any of our Prestige trailer inventory.